How to turn off camera shutter sound on Snapchat iPhone. So first is you have to go to your Snapchat application here, and it will directly lead you to your camera area where you could actually take a picture and basically shutter sound will come out. Now, the only thing that you can do for that is to actually lower the volume. Either lower the volume, just have to lower the volume there. There will be no camera shutter sound. Or the other thing is to put your phone into silent mode. So you put your phone to silent mode and then you can now take a photo and a camera shutter sound will not be heard. So basically that is how you turn off your camera shutter sound on Snapchat. So if it doesn't work, make sure that you have checked your Snapchat application if it's updated. So all you have to do is to go to your app store and just go to Snapchat here. And then if you will see an update button, you have to click on that and wait for it to be updated. And as you can see, I don't have any update button, which means my Snapchat application is updated. And if it's updated, do the same process. And basically, that is how you turn off camera shutter sound on Snapchat. So that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.